Hello everyone. I hope you all can hear me. If you can hear me, then please uh, react by writing in the chat that yes, you can hear. Please do, as we have many one here, so please do not turn on your mic, then it will be a chaotic situation. So you can just drop a message if you can hear me or not. Okay, great. So, okay, so if anyone have any question in between, then please do not turn on mic at that time. First, ask me in chat box or raise your hand. Then I will ask that person that what is the necessary question he or she has. But someone has already raised his or her hand. But please turn down everyone. At this moment, I have not started yet, and if anyone just randomly turn on the raised hand thing, then it will be difficult for me to keep a track. So, okay. So, let us start this semester's Python for Data Science course. So I welcome you all for this very interesting and very popular course, which is Python for Data Science. I am your uh, teaching assistant, which who will help you to learn for Python for Data Science, and we'll meet for next upcoming 4 weeks. This is the first week, and then the second and third and fourth week, in 4 weeks we will learn about Python for data science. So the instructor of the course is Professor Raghunathan Rengaswamy from IIT Madras, and I am Nilakshi Chanapati, who will teach you this course, and I am from IIT Kanpur. So so these are the problem solving and doubt clearing session, as well as I will revisit all of the things that you have learned in your due course with your videos, and I will in present in this live session I will show you how do you actually will you code in Python, and you can simultaneously turn on your PC, and you can try your codes when I am also doing this. So in that is the purpose of this live session, so that you can learn it properly while doing it. And I will not be very fast for the first week, as today is the first week. Today I will formally introduce this course, and then I will go through the very basic things in Python, and then I will then from the next week onwards the things will be a little bit faster. So in this course I can say you this is not the first time I am the TA for this course for several time now. This is for the another time I am taking this course, and I really enjoy this course because people are also very interactive. In the past courses, I have found that students are very enthusiastic, as well as they are very much. 1 minute. So as well as they are very much curious about how to do these things, and people used to visit the lectures as well as these videos, which is actually nice. And I feel this will be the another session, another semester, where I will get some amazing students who will be very much curious and enthusiastic during this course. So again, I am Nilakshi, who will help you to learn this. And now let me, already it is 5:10. I was waiting for the people to join. I would like to clarify one thing, that of course there are already, I can say you the statistics, 50,636 students have joined this course, and for examination 1,966 students are already registered for the examination. But I can tell you one problem that that can happen, is that only the first 100 people I'll be able to join. I'll be able to take in this Google Meet link. After that, whoever will try to join, they will not be able to join perhaps. So And for them, there is no need to worry. This session is actually being recorded, and as soon as I will complete today's class, I'll upload this in the YouTube channel, in my YouTube channel. So that YouTube channel, I link, and where you will get the videos, every information will be shared with you by me as well as by the NPTEL coordinate NPTEL itself through the SWAM portal. So I so okay, so try to join at the very beginning. Otherwise, I will not be able to accommodate all of the people. So already 100, more than 100 people have joined today in today's class, and every day I will be able to join only take only 100 people, and after that, no need to worry. This will be go on air after 10 after 7 p.m. Around 8 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. It will be available in the YouTube channel, so you can see the video, and whoever wants to see the video again and again for for preparing for the examination, or for some or like to learn or to do the code while seeing the video, everyone can utilize those videos. So that information I will share in soon, and also NPTEL will share that with you. Okay, so I'll not wait more. I will let me formally introduce this course. Um, so. Today is a tutorial one, and today is 25th January, and next class will be on this next Saturday. And someone asked me, I think that what was about so many question I cannot see. No, I am not Samil. Will recording of this session will be available? Yes, this will be available after some time. Once this live session is done, then the recorded session of this live session will go will be available in the YouTube channel. I will share the information with you. And whatever code I will use, whatever is needed for learning this, everything I will upload in a particular folder which you can access. So no need to worry. Just try to learn. And as well, of course, you need to do the codes by yourself to learn the Python. And hmm, will the recording not be available in from? Yes, it will be available. It will be available. Ma'am, in assignment there is MCQ, or we have to do handwritten assignment. There are MCQ in the assignment. In question and A forum, in Q&A forum, you can ask your question doubts. Whenever I'll be available, I can reply you. And there are some other course TA who are not joining through the live session. They can also answer you. So so that was the thing. So now I will start with the some basic introduction of this course. That is, this is an elective course, and this is a very preliminary level UG level course. So you will learn the Python, and as well as learn how we can use Python for data science both. So whoever is not familiar with Python till now, this course is also very nice for them. And who are already pro in Python, they can find this course useful in the last 2 weeks. But first, for the first 2 weeks, I feel this is very preliminary level. So if you know anyone who wants to learn for the first time, and want to do the hands-on session with the Python, please share with them. This will be very nice for them. And category, of course, computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence, data science, and any domain of science now needs to code in Python. And I am from physics background, and on the regular basis I need to code so much. So I can assure you that with this course you will learn a lot of things which will help you in your career. And the books, already these are mentioned in your NPTEL site, but still you can find this, that the books are you can follow is that Introduction to Linear Algebra, Applied Statistics, Probability for Engineers, and Mastering Python for Data Science by Samir Madhavan, and there are several others. I will provide you all of the. There is one folder which I will share with you. There you can find all of the necessary documents that you need to get, and the slides that I am showing today, these will also be available to you through that folder only. So date of the examination of this course is 22nd March 2025. There will be two sessions with which the examination will be conducted. One is a morning session from 9 a.m. to 12 noon, and the second is the afternoon session, which is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. And the registration deadline is 14th March, 5 p.m. Friday. Okay, so make sure whoever want to learn this course and want to get the certificate, for them this is very useful information. So do register. And I can tell you that what is the as this is the first day, and I will introduce you with the course. Then I will tell you what are the certificate criteria, how will you get the certificate, and then I will go to the basic of that how what platform will you use to do the coding in Python, and then I will move towards the then I will warm up with some bits and pieces with some very basic codes, and of course you have already. I hope all the videos you have already seen, and after that this is the warm up session that you can learn the coding and Python directly while interacting with me. So, so the course certificate you will go, and after that I will go to some assignment solution problems, that how you need to solve the problems, and to get to score good in this course, because this course is highly competitive course. 60, about 50-60,000 students enrolls, and getting a certificate in this course is a bit competitive. So be very much sincere from the very beginning. And yes, so the criteria to get a certificate is that average assignment course needs to be 20%, 25% of average of best three assignments out of total four assignments given in the course. Okay. And exam score is exam score that you need to obtain is 75% of the proctor certification exam, which you will give on 14th March. So and that will be out of 100, and the final score is equal to average assignment score plus exam score. Okay. So whoever will cross then they will be able to get the certificate, and you will be eligible for the certificate only if average assignment score, that is 10 out of 25, and exam score, that is 30 out of 75, if you obtain. If any one of them is missed, if you score good in final examination, and do not get the average assignment score, then you will not get the certificate. And so balancing the both the assignment score as well as the exam score is necessary to get the certificate. Okay. And if one of the two criteria is not met, you will not get even the certificate, even if you get very nice score in the final examination. So take the assignment also very seriously. Okay. So so this was the information that I wanted to give, and then now I will okay, any question, ma'am? As I am a college student, what to do if my college examination get classed by the NPTEL course? Sorry, from the NPTEL side, we cannot do anything because NPTEL is very strict with the dates, and we need to fix these dates for one semester ago. So these are fixed dates. It will not be changed in any circumstances either. Otherwise, some national uh, problem is there. Otherwise, it will be the same, and you need to make sure that you are available on the date from the very first. And okay, so how to search for this recording in YouTube? So I will give that information. Don't worry. And next up is that how to I'll go to the downloading part, but before that, let me share with you the information of how will you get the how will you get the this folder, that where I will upload all of these things. Okay, so let me share that with you. So this is the folder link that I have just shared with you in the chat box. You can open it and let me know that if you can access it or not. In this Google Drive link, I will share all of the codes, all of the PDFs, all of the documents that you need. Even the slides that I am showing, all of the things will be there, and you can access them from this folder. And now I will show you that what is there in this folder. So let me present that folder itself. So if you uh, if you turn on this 1 minute. If you turn on this, if you on this folder, then you will see there are three documents as of now. One is the syllabus in PDF format. One is the Python setup guide, and another is the Google slide, which is what I am using to show you the assignment question. Whatever I will discuss in this live session, that will also that all of them will be presented in all of them will be present in the slides. So many people are wanting to join. I could not allow them because more than 100 people is not allowed, and but still I am trying. So yes, so this is a folder, and I can show you the syllabus. The syllabus is this, which you can get also from the NPTEL website for this course. And the first week plan is to learn about the basics of Python in Spider, because we will use the Spider. What is Spider and how to install them, that I will tell in another 5 minutes. And then in the first week, whatever I will show, whatever the things that you have learned and what I will show, that is the part of today's class, which I will go after 5:30 p.m. And then week two is the sequence. We learn about the sequence data types and associated operations like strings, lists, array, tuples, dictionary, sets, range, numpy, use of numpy, matplotlib, etc. And week three is a bit higher, a bit advanced, which is we'll learn how to visualize data, how to plot with matplotlib, how to use seaborn library, how to use for loop, while loop, function, if else, and then how to do line plot, bar plot, histogram, box plot, pair plot, and several other things. And the last but not the least, but at the week four, we'll do the finally the case study, which is the regression and classification problems. Okay. With this, I hope you will have a total idea of how to do coding in the Python, and you will also be able to utilize Python for your own work. Okay, so this was the first thing. Now I'll go to the Python setup guide, that how you will can actually install it. So for that, this documentation is given to you, that you can get in this folder. So you need to install Spider through Anaconda Navigator. How will you get that? That I will go to my Google and I will show you in some time. And then you need to choose the OS, that is the operating system. You may use anything, you can use the 1 minute. So you can use you can use Windows, or you can use Linux, or you can use Mac. So I have used all of the three, Linux, Windows, and Mac. And currently I am showing you through my Mac. I will show and conduct this class through my MacBook. And but you can use anything. You can. I have used Linux also. It is fine. You can use Windows also. It is fine. Okay, so that is one thing. And then you need, after the download of this Python, then you can post the download. You can run the setup file, open the Anaconda Navigator, and then you will get some window like this, where you can launch the Spider, where which we'll use for coding in this Python for data science course. Okay. So similarly, you can use we will use Spider, and we'll show you with Spider. But I can even open Jupyter or anything else. Even whoever don't have the access to computer, nice computer, or maybe crashing they can use Google Colab also. So learning Python nowadays is not a big deal. You can also use Google Colab. It is just another like Jupyter itself, and I will show you that also, that very easily, who are unable to get the Anaconda, maybe because Anaconda is about 3.2 GB or 3.8 GB, something like that, who do not have the very nice access to internet. They can also do coding just by doing by utilizing the Google Colab. So that I will also show you. So this is the one thing, and these are this NPTEL underscore Python data science underscore 2. This is the thing. This is a slide thing which you can access, uh, which I am showing, and you can access through this. Okay. So this is one of the important information that I wanted to show you. Now I'll go to the Google Colab, that whoever does not have a nice system and nice access to internet, they can also do coding by utilizing the Google Colab. So for that, I will just go to 1 minute. Let me admit few more people who are waiting. So let me go to that. So I think now you can see, if you just type Google Colab, if you just type Google Colab, then what you will get is something like this, which you can show written as untitled 0.ipynab. This is called as this save as ipynab. And if you want to open more file, then you can just click on the file. You can write new notebook in Drive, and you will get another file. Okay. So, so you use the Google Colab also, and for this, what do you need to do? You just need to go to the Chrome or just go to the Google and write Google Colab, and you will be able to open it if your Google is login with your email. Okay, so now after that, whatever we will do in the Spider, you can also do the same thing utilizing the Google Colab, if you have minimum internet access. Okay, and once you are done with the Anaconda Navigator download, then you don't need any internet or anything. You can just do the coding. You can just get good internet access for some time. You can just download the Anaconda Navigator. Then you are done for all. So just then you just need to do the coding. Okay. So this is just to mention one more thing. And now I'll go to now I'll go to the another thing, that is the information about the YouTube channel, where you will get the information. Let me complete all of the information, then you will ask the question. Before that, I am not taking any question. Okay. So let me first complete all of this introduction. So I'll just show you the YouTube channel link where you will get the these recorded videos. So you can see this channel. This is my channel itself. Here you will get the official NPTEL recorded videos for for these live sessions. Okay, and of course NPTEL will also share. NPTEL will also share this link, the YouTube links, as well as this YouTube link with you with the in their portal. So I can give you the link also. You can subscribe there to get all of the notification, because I am whenever I take the class, whatever notification I need to give, I either send mail, or I use the Q&A portal, or mostly I use the YouTube platform. In the community itself, I used to post all of the things. You can see whenever I have taken the previous classes, I posted all of the things, because this is the one platform where I can communicate with everyone easily, because 50,000 students are enrolled. If you regularly follow this channel, then you will get all the information that I want to share. Okay, so this is one of the important thing that you wanted to know. I hope your recorded session information is clear, question is clear now. Okay, so now I will stop this, and okay, and now I will go to the 1 minute. 1 minute, give me. Okay, so now I will show you that how to access the assignments, because that you need to know. If it is not known, then also it is then you will not be able to get that also. I know it is getting late to start the course, but these are the necessary things that I need to tell. I am instructed to tell, so please be patient. Okay, fine. So I hope you can see. You can go to the SWAM portal and you can log in with your email ID. And what you will see is this thing, which is the Python for Data Science contains week one, all of the videos, then the setup guide, then the lecture slides, then feedback you can give, the quizzes, assignment, which is important for you. You can just go there and click here and go to the assignment and start solving your problem and submit it within the due date. Otherwise, you will not be able to get the you will not get the assignment done, and you will automatically not get the certificate if you do not do that. Okay, so you can download the videos also. The books are also given, and text transcripts are also given. And in this index, you will also the NPT will also add the section where you will get all of the information for this live sessions also. So fine. Okay, so I hope everything is known now. Now I will go to the uh, and I hope everybody has downloaded the Anaconda or by now, because you have the setup guide and all of the videos, first week videos you have already seen. Go through that. So somebody wants to ask some question for a while. Ullas. So what do you want to ask? Someone has raised his hand. What do you want to ask? Okay, if you do not have any, okay, Murti, do you want to ask anything? Murthy, do you want to ask anything? Otherwise, don't raise your hand. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for me to keep the track. Yes. Hmm. Sorry, I do not understand. Okay. 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 So you have also okay. So you have registered for two NPTEL courses. Same date. You have the examination on the same date, right? So please choose the session wisely. You can one you can give on morning and one on afternoon. But I don't think that. Okay. So you okay, so that maybe I have mistakenly written as 14th March, so maybe that is 14th February. It is already shared with you then. So, okay, fine. Thank you for that information, and thank you for correcting. And the thing is that I cannot help you with the dates because this is not in my hand. So, sorry. Now I will go to the now I will start. Now I'll go to the spider itself to show you. Okay, do you have more questions? What do you want to? Yes, Samiksha, please ask. Oh, okay, Irani Ghosh, please ask. Yes, one. Yes, yes. Hmm. Then Harshit. Hmm. So, but the thing is that either the Saturday session or the Friday session, you can join any one of them. You do not need to do all both of them. These are the same sessions. Okay. Okay, fine. So now I hope you can see the you can see my spider. I have already downloaded it, and I am not showing you how to download because maybe most of you know these things by now. And just I want to show you that what are the things what we call these different part of this spider. That is what I want to say, and I want to do some basic variable declaration and how to run the code and all of these things. So that's what today's class will be dedicated for, and then we'll go for two set of question answer practicing, because that is the main thing that we need to do in this session. Because then you will we think that if we do much more practicing of assignment different kind of questions, then most likely you will get the questions from there, and you will also be able to solve the assignments. Okay. So the thing is, the thing that you, 1 minute. Okay. Okay. So the thing is, actually, so many things are going on. So it is difficult to keep track for me. So be patient. Okay. So now this is the window that you will get if you open the spider. Now this part where I this is written as that created on Saturday, January 25, author Nilakshi, this coding UTF, all of these things. This part is what we call the editor, and this right hand side part, I do not know that if you can see my cursor or not. I think you can see now. So this right hand side part where there is written as help, variable window, variable explorer, plots, files, this is what we call multi-purpose window. And this last part which you can see this where there are a lot of things going on, that is called the console, where if you run the code, then you will be able to see that if it is running or there is some error or what. So basically what now it is showing is that I have done something, some things are something has run, something has not run, and errors are there. So these are all my codes which I will not show you. I can choose a new console actually. By how, if you just click 1 minute. If you just click this, then you can give me time. 1 minute. No, no, don't need to restart. Give me some time because something is down. Something is working as a uh, uh, for recording the session also. So everything is going together. That's what is creating problem. Allow me some time because recording has stopped. I cannot do anything without the recording. Okay, so fine. So due to some technical problem, actually this thing is spider is crashing. So I can conduct the further class for today in either Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter either in Jupyter Notebook or in Google Colab. But of course, I can share with you with the previous previous semesters. Course what I where I did the same thing in Jupyter Notebook. So you can visit that lecture where you will get the same thing in the Jupyter. So in the Spider. So no need to worry about that. And from the next class onwards, I can and from next class onwards, I will again come back to this spider only. So fine. So sorry for the glitch that happened from the technical point of view and with the recording side and some something. I'll not go into the details. And let's focus on the class then. And then I will go to the problem solving session, problem solving part. So okay, I will go to the Google Colab then, and I will show you the further things. Okay, so okay, so whoever has turned on their audios, please turn it off. Otherwise, it is creating noise and people are getting disturbed. And okay, so yes, please turn off your mic. Please turn off your mic or mute it. Who is who's is turned on? Even 1 minute. Okay, so GB Reddy Nanny, please turn off your mic. Please turn off your mic, otherwise it is very disturbing. No, then we will not be able to. I mean, it's fine. Otherwise, again, I need to turn on again if somebody want to ask any question, and it is very difficult to manage all of them because so many things are going on. I think now it is done. Okay, fine. So, yes, so the thing is that what we have learned in the first week is the topics are introduction to Spider, which I just shown, and while it crashed, and I will not go to the Spider at this moment. Otherwise, this recording part will again get interrupted. But for from the next week onwards, we'll do in the Spider. And if you want to see this thing, similar thing in the Spider, then I already have taken this class in the previous semester with Spider, so you can visit that. Then there you can set your working directory that I can not show you right now. That is also there in that video, and I will share that with you. And then you need to create or save the script file. You can do file execution, clearing console, removing variables from environment, cleaning environment, commenting script files, all of them, and commenting and all of the file execution, clearing console. This I can also show you here. Then the variable creation, arithmetic operation, and the data types associated with the operations, all of them I'll now discuss. So the thing is, Python is it's just another kind of coding platform like C, C++, MATLAB, or whatever is present there, Scilab or whatever. So you can think it as a calculator, but very smart, and you can utilize these not just for doing calculation, but you can do whatever you are like you can generate your own algorithm just by writing the flowchart and whatever idea you have, and it depends on you that how will you use the Python at this time, because Python is now very powerful, and apart from the data science perspective, you can learn it to do it to utilize it in case of your regular daily to daily basis who wants to go to the research domain, wants to go to the some even whatever Excel can do, whatever the manipulation of data, whatever taking lots of data, if you want to if you want to work with lots of data or whatever, you don't need to use actually Excel or anything else. You can do everything with the Python now, and it has very smart it is very smart nowadays. So now, first of all, what is the main thing is that numbers. So you can work with numbers, and there are several operators with which like plus, minus, multiplication, division, module, like the ampersand, then the the floor division, and there are several other things. So all of them are discussed in your lecture videos, but I'll go through all of them one by one just to be familiarized with them. And the first topic starts from that define how to define a variable. So I can define a variable just like I can write a equal to 2, and just run it, and you will see that you will not be able to see anything. It is just like it has taken that a has taken as it is equal to 2, and if you give inverted comma that a equal to inverted comma 2, then it is not a number anymore. Then it becomes string. So now if you write like this, then it is not number. So you need to learn difference between the number and which are not number. So first we will work today with the numbers. We are not going to the strings, list, and tuple, all of them. So you just you'll now focus on a equal to 2, 3, 4, these kind of things. And defining a as a 2 is what we call the variable declaration. So I can now declare several variables, and you can either run it by clicking this, or you can just if you are using Mac, then you can just use shift return and you will get it. Or if you are using Windows, then you need maybe control enter. Okay. So now I have defined a equal to 2, x equal to 2.0, b equal to 3, y equal to 4.0. What is the difference between a and x? A is just an integer number, a equal to 2, and x is 2.0, means it is a float. Okay. Now there are four variables that I have defined. Now if I write c equal to a and run it, then if you print c, then what you'll get is 2, because C is now defined as whatever A is. Okay. And now if you want to do the summation, multiplication, power, anything of them, then you can just define a variable and you can write it according to them. Like I have written sum underscore AB and I am doing A plus B. So summation of two variables. Those are A and B. Now I can do multiplication like B star C, then you just need one star, and we can do the power also. P star star C, that is the power. So finally, whatever you will get is this. So you can understand that I can define not like A, B, C, D. I can define as I want. Like I can define a variable like sum underscore AB. For multiplication, I can write mult underscore bishe, and power, whatever you want, you can write there. And I am not printing, just these are the variable declaration. Now when you want to print, then you just can write power, then maybe you just want to print the sum, then you just write print sum A and B, then you will get print, then it will print that sum of A and B equal to 5. This sum of A and B, that you can write whatever you want to write, as it is between inside the inverted commas. So it will just write whatever you will give, and sum of AB is the whatever it has calculated, and then it will print that. Okay. As well I can print the others like multiplication and power. Fine. So now I go to the numbers that as I have already mentioned that with the simple Python commands I can use this Python as a calculator. The interpreter this acts as a simple calculator. You can type expression at it, whatever you will write, it will evaluate that. So these are simply called the syntax, and these are very straightforward. Like plus minus, I can do 2 plus 2. If you just write 2 plus 2 without writing anything, then it will automatically give you 4, whatever a calculator does. Now all of the things, plus, minus, multiplication, division, these are easier. But few things which is, one is the floor division, that is very important. That you will see that maybe you can get some question from floor division in the examination. So, so if I do 17 double backslash by 3, double backslash 3, then it is not division anymore. If you just do 17 by 3, then what you will get is 5.6666, because it is now dividing and giving whole thing, like whatever whatever is coming. But when you give the double backslash, then it does the floor division, and this floor division discards the fractional part. It will just keep the before before the point part, before the point, whatever you are getting, that you will get. Another type of operator is, what operator is, percentage, which we call ampersand also. In there, you can which we call modulo operator also. That actually returns the remainder of the division. What I can write 17, or like I can write, okay, 17 by, no, it's fine, 3. It is giving me 2. Why? Because 3, if you divide 17 by 3, then it is 15, and the remainder is 17 minus 15, that is 2. That is the remainder which it will return to me. Okay. Now, here also, when you do the mathematical operation, then it also follows the same rule. Like first, it will get the, multiplication, then division, then the plus and minus. So here, if you calculate the 5 star 3 plus 2, then what you will get is the 17. Okay. Fine. Now, whatever the small thing, like, you can calculate. Suppose you are given with some height and some width of an object, then you can calculate the, if it is a rectangle, then you can calculate the area under that just by doing the multiplication. So you can just define like width, height, and just do the width cross height. Then you will get get whatever you want to get. So, these are the very basic operations. And now I'll go to one another thing, that is called the, uh, types of operators in Python. So there are several types of operators. One is arithmetic operator, then there can be comparison operator, then there are logical operators, then there are bitwise operators, assignment operators, identity operators, and membership operators. These are seven kind of operators. You can write it, or you can check this video in a later time to see this, to to take a note by yourself, or you can visit, whatever you want to visit. Nowadays, Chat GPT and all of these things are also present. I think nowadays coding is, you don't even need to learn from someone. You can just learn by your own, because everything is present, and you can get so many examples in internet. So you can just search for that and you will get that. Okay. So these are the seven types of operators. And arithmetic operators are basically basic mathematical operations, which are like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, and then if we come to the comparison of Python operators, then then it actually compares the relation between the operators. Suppose I define two things. One is a equal to 12 and b equal to 30. Okay. Now, what does the comparison of the Python operator do? Okay, so if I do print a greater than b, let's see what it gives. It will tell you that it is false, because 12 is not greater than b. 12 is not greater than 30. Okay, so it is actually the comparison operator. That's why it is called the comparison operator. You can do greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, all of them. So maybe I'll give the other parts also, other things also. Okay, so see one thing I'd like to comment that how to comment that also you can check. You just need to type a hash and write this comparison operator is for not equal to. Okay. So what it is giving A less than B? Yes, A less than B. So it is telling us true. If it is equal to, then it is false. Then it is telling us false because A is not equal to B. So A not equal to B is giving true. Now this exclamatory sign and equal to sign, these together actually gives you not equal to. This equal to sign means assigning operator. This is exactly equal to that, and this exclamatory sign and equal to, this both together makes it as a not equal to operator. Okay, and whatever you write within this hash, after this hash, then that does not, that the console does not take care of, because it is just it is just called as a commenting of the line, or whatever you want to comment, that for your understanding purpose you can just do that. Okay, so these are the then next, the third point is the logical operators, which are logical not, logical and, logical or, all of those things. Then there you need to declare as A equal to true, B equal to false. Then if you print that if A and B, or A or B, then you will be able to get the answer in terms of false and true again, that if it is false or true. So that also I can give one example. Now let me choose x equal to true, y equal to false. Now I will print x and b, sorry, x and y. Then it will tell false. Because this is just doing the logical and logical or operator. These you must know from your basic 12th course in class 11. It is known that what is logical not, what is logical and, what is logical or. Okay, so these are just doing that. So these are called logical operators. Maybe I can, you can also do one thing, that I can input the, like, first I define the numbers. Now I work with the numbers. Variable definer. So let me show you. You can enter text also. Variable declaration. That means in that part I have taught you the variable declaration. So you can comment in that way also, just for your understanding purpose. I can enter other texts, now at last I did the logical operator, like, right? So after that I will enter another text. So I will write logical operators. Fine. So you can just do that just for your understanding purpose. That's what you have done. Now the fourth thing is bitwise operators. I will not go through all of the details again. There can be bitwise not, bitwise if, bitwise and, bitwise or several other things. So that you can check, and whatever is necessary that is taught in your videos. So I am not going in much more details of that. So assignment operators are also there. Assignment operators are like Python use the assigned values of the variables. Like you are using equal to sign, as well you can use the single equal sign, plus equal to sign, minus equal to sign, star equal to sign, all of those things. So maybe I can show you with one example. Uh, A equal to 100 and maybe B equal to A. Now then I run it, and then I am saying print, then I am doing B plus equal to A. See what happens. Print B. So what it is showing, because I have defined A as 100, now B equal to also A, that means B is equal to also 100. Now I am adding B and A, then it is by writing b plus equal to a, that also means the adding operation, and you will get 200. Okay, so these are called assignment operators. Now you can also use identity operators, which are like is or is not type. Like in Python, is and is not are the identity operators. Both are used to check if two values are located on the same part of the memory or not. Two variables that are equal do not imply that they are identical. Okay, so so this is about the type. So there are several other things that if you want to, suppose I have defined a is equal to 12. Now I can type of a, then it will say that what is the type of variable that you have in a. Like a is an integer. Int means integer. Now you can also write type like now let me define a equal to 12.00. Okay, so now if I type a, then it will say me that what is the type. Then it will say that it is saying that it is float. Okay, let me enter few other people's again if I have something someplace. Great. Okay, fine. So these are the types that you can check that how this is the operation that you can do to check what is it how you can find out the type. Then there is something called membership operator, which I am not going in the details. Then there are ternary operators. Then there are precedence associativity operators. Then uh, there are so many things. So those are not required for your for this course at this moment at least. Okay. So, so these are the basic things that I wanted to mention. So after that, let me go to the slides where I can show you that what are the things that I wanted to discuss today, and then I will give you the assignment which you need to solve at this moment, and I will tell that how you can solve it at your home. Okay, so fine. So now you know this all of these things. See, you know how to execute the file, how to clear the console, how to remove variables, how to how to do write the small things as a script, how to do the variable creation, how to do the arithmetic and logical operators, and various data types and the associated operations. All of them I have discussed. Now I will go to the assignment problem that you need to solve. So I'll give you first some time, then I'll ask the answer that what is the answer, and then I will go to then I'll say that what if the answer is correct or not. You can solve at this moment directly, and then I'll go for the set two. There is set one and set two. Two assignment sets are there with me, which are also previous year's questions. So with solving them, you'll be able to understand that if you like how much prepared you are and what type of questions you will get. Okay. So yeah, after the question one and two, I have just floated in right now. So you can just see and try to solve and write the answer in the uh, and write it in the chat box. I'll say at the end I'll say that if the what is the answer for question one and two, and then you will match that if you are correct or not. Okay. So I'll give you maybe this is one very nice question and very preliminary question. So just 1 minute, and you can just write the answer in your chat in the chat box, and then I'll say the answer. Yes. Sorry, I don't understand. What course do you want? Do you want to attend and you have to attend? That is the course. That is the course, and I in the first slide itself, I told you that he is the instructor of this course. Okay, so the videos you need to follow from there, and I am the teaching assistant who will help you to learn this course. So it is instructed by him, and I will let you learn and help you to learn. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, yes, yes. So, what is your question in urinary operator? So that you want, so you want to know that, right? So urinary operator and the precedence, that I am not going like you can, because there are several in this course. Actually, we are not focusing on that part. I don't think that you will get any question from there, and this first day class is not, I mean, this course is mostly for UG, so I don't think that you will get that. But if you want to get, if you want to know these things, then I can, you can contact me directly. I can tell you all of these things. So I am instructed, whatever whatever I am telling, that I am instructed to tell, like this part I need to go and not to go. Yes, 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 yes. No, 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 no. Mostly, I don't think in the first week it will not be there. Okay, so fine. I'll tell the answer that what is the thing. So the first question is, which of the following is are the correct ways of naming variables in Python? So first one is, the answer is max underscore two is equal to five, that is B, and the third point, that is max two equal to five, that is the third. Two, B and C are the correct answer for one, and for two, five modulo 11, where the answer will be 5, that I have just shown to you. So now, whatever I am giving you the questions. These are from the previous years only, and you can expect this type of questions and questions in your examinations only. So if you want to explore further, you can explore further. If you want to know further, if I can give you some much more material, whoever is interested. But right now, I'll follow only those which are based on the previous year's scenario. Okay, so this is the third question. You can answer. Yes. What? Okay. So what do you want? You want how it is going? How is it happening? I just showed to you. So I think you are following the class because I just showed that how this modular operator works, and if you do these, then you will only get the remainder, not the answer. So as it is given as 5/7, so 7 cannot be divided by 5 because you need to take 0. I hope you know the division operation, so then it is 0 because the otherwise and if you are finding it if you are 1 minute if you sorry, then it is 5, so because not 0, the answer is 5, and as if you are not able to understand that how it is coming 5 modulo 11, then you can just type it on your console and see that what you are getting. And if I type it, like I can just show you. Okay, I can just show you that how will you get to know that if it is this or not. You can verify always by writing that simple thing in your console. 5 ampersand, 5 modulo 11, run it. 5. Okay, so for the beginners you can start with this, and then as the time will go, with the more practice you will able to understand whatever the operation needs to what the operation actually tells, and later on you can actually do it without the help of the console, because in your examination I don't think that you will get that. Okay, so you want to know and or and not. Okay, give me some time. Somebody wants to add. Maybe I can write here. It will be best. Okay. Okay, so you'll get the all of these things in your in the folder, and you can visit this. Okay. Somebody also asked, so I just keep this. Okay, fine. So I'll stop share, and you can visit whoever asked the question and check this. And next, I will go to the next questions. So, okay, fine. Uh, First question, second question, third question answer. I think you have already done. I have not seen any of you is answering. Okay, you have already answered. So the third question answer is, of course, it is zero. Zero means the first option zero. The next question is what I was saying, that what will be the output of the following code, which is written as num underscore one equal to 100 in inverted comma and 200 in inverted comma. So if you print, then what it will be? Let me know the answer. You can just write A, B, C, D, which one it is. Okay, yes. So for them, who want the precedence table, I can just give you this. And I will also write it in the collab, whatever I was using. And you can just see this there also and here also. Here I have written in the chat box. Whoever is writing it as 300, so that is wrong, because this is not a number anymore, that I mentioned what when it is number and when it is not number. Okay. Now I'll go to the second question, next question. So the answer is 100200 for this one. If I go to the next question, then tell me what is the answer. Then you can figure out. Then you can write that if something has string format, then if you just write int of that, then you will directly come. If it is a number, then you can directly convert it into an integer. So based on that, you can just write what is the answer for this one. And those who want the precedence table, that I have added in this in the chat section also, and also in the that Google Colab that you will find in the Google Drive folder. I think Irani or someone was asking about that precedence, which I have added. That what to use where and when, first the await operation, then the exponential, then the seed, then the all of the things I tried to mention. And for the logical operators, that also I have added it. So okay, fine. So for this case it is 300, and now I am moving towards the next question. So what is the type of the following expression if I do 1 plus 4 by 2? If you are unable to, if someone is starting with the Python and unable to understand, then just can write this in the console and type it whatever, and you will be able to see that if it is an integer or float or bool or string or whatever it is. And if you are still unable to understand that, you can just write after doing this operation that type and then what it is, then you, whatever you want to check, and you will get the type of the following expression. And for this case, this question 6 will be a float. And the for 7, what is the type of the following expression? You can still find it, as I have already mentioned how to check. And this will be this for this case, the answer will be C, true. Okay. Now I'll go to the next question, which is question 8. Because you are doing now integer int of num underscore one. That's why it is taking as an integer. The answer for 7. The answer for 7 will be true. Yes, C. Yes. Yes, tell. Sorry, I could not hear you. Okay. In the assignment or in the live session? In assessment, which question it is? Can you tell me? I'll check that on later. Question 6 in assessment 2. Week 2, question 6, right? Okay, I'll check. Hmm. No. So whatever the like answer you will get if you do this operation, it is asking for that. Do you understand that one is greater than if it is, so the thing is, if one greater than zero, yes. If it is true, and minus one less than zero, if is it true? Yes, true. And one equal to one, is it true? Yes, true. All of these operation, if it goes into the and, then it is also true. So that's why the answer of this thing, whatever it is, that is what it is that it is asking. That type of the following, like if you are saying that yes, if these are boolean, but whatever the answer, whenever you are saying that 1 plus 4 by 2, then 1 is also an integer, 4 is also an integer. But whatever the type of the following expression this is asking, that means if you do the operation, then what it will give to you, the type of that expression it is asking for. Okay. So it is scope now. Yes, it is a yes type of the answer, that whatever you will do, if you do that operation, then whatever you will get, what will be that? Okay, so I understand. So you are saying type, if you type of the answer is also bool because it is true and false. That's why. Okay, I understand what in what respect you are telling, but the answer sheet that I have, we have made it for this live session. There, it is there also it is like we have done it too. I don't know why is this. Okay, so I'll make sure that whatever the answer is, I will let you know later on because I cannot. Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. I'll tell you guys in the question answer forum. Hmm. So now next question is this question. What is the output of this following code snapshot? And just let me know. Just do this operation in your console and just let me know. I think everyone will get the answer, so I don't need to do this operation. I don't need to tell the answer also because everyone has a computer with them, I hope. Yes. Yes. Yes, this is about the practicing. I know the in previous semester also people told this thing, but we can't help because we think the like question when we make question we make sure that people are practicing enough to understand. You can just do it by your hand, pen and paper because scribble pad will be given to you, and you can just remember whatever the precedents are, how it will go, that when which operation will go first and then second one whichever is the third one that you need to learn and remember, and then you can just do that operation and you will get the answer. Okay, so fine, the answer will be 40. You can check on your console. You can just print it, that whatever the operation is given. So answer will be 40. Now the next question. Okay, so the it is telling which of the arithmetic operators given below cannot be used with strings in Python. So that is the this minus sign, that is a B, because you need to either use underscore. You cannot just use hyphen. Okay. And then the next question is consider the list of instructions and resulting outputs given below. Pick the set that is incorrect. Okay. So now be like check all of the four options and then do it. Minus 24. So that for that I just can show you by sharing my thing. Stop. So see, if I work with this operator, I hope you can see my thing, see my screen. That if I do this operation, 12 minus 4 star in the bracket first parenthesis 16 by 2, then star 4 and then plus 32, and then you will get the 40, and all of the operations whichever will come first, and then whatever it will, these are given now. You can check. And okay, no, because no. So what is the thing? Yes, you have tell the problem. No, uh, I need to check. I also do not remember that what comes first, but I think I have given it just above that. Here, there you can see that the which one will come first. I think division, the module, the remainder part will come first, and then it will go to the power. That you can check. So if even if you run this in your console, then you can also get that this will be 40. And of course, I do not also remember what are the things because I do code, but I do not remember these. You need to remember because of the examination purpose, but I don't remember the parentheses. So precedence. So, yes, so yes, the plus and minus are plus and minus has the equal precedence. Yes, correct. Okay, and that the in the first bracket you are saying it is 1, so it does not matter because 12 minus 4 is 8 raised to power 1, so it is 8, and then plus 32, then it is 40, right? Okay, that may be the correct thing. Yes, fine. That thank you very much. Okay, so yes, first bracket and you are doing the first, then you will going to yes. Okay, okay, fine. So now we can understand. Okay, then. Plus and minus both have the similar footage. How? Because you are going from left to right, right? Then it is coming, the minus is minus and so minus and plus come with the equal footage. So if you go from left to right, then you are getting minus first. Then if it is 8, then plus 32, then it is 40. Left to right from the place. Yes, yes. I think you are missing somewhere. So let no. I hope everybody else has understood, or I think left to right. So you are telling in terms of left to right and right to left in which manner, that also depends. Yes, 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 yes. But that depends on that. You are saying that left to right means from 30 to 12 in that direction is your left to right. Then if you are saying like that, yes. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Okay. Fine. So. Okay, so fine. Now it is doubt. So now I think the doubt is clear, and I will go to the other question. I don't know if I'll go able to go to the second slot of the question. So okay, so question 10, question 11, all of the questions you will get in the slide also in the folder. So you can just solve right now. You don't need to take snapshot or anything like that. So. Just give the answer. I think I don't even need to tell any answer. You are self-sufficient, but yes, just do this because I need to do this with you in this live session. Only 5 minutes is left, 5 to 10 minutes. Sorry, everything, every link. Yes, these will also be shared with you. This will also be shared with you. I have all of the info. Like I will also share, and the Sam will also share with you. So no need to worry. Everything, whatever I am showing, so no need to think about that. Yes, yes. Correct, correct. Okay, so the next question I go to. So this is the last question from the set one. Okay, so previous question is this. Okay, fine. So this is the last question. This is the last question from this set one. So it is saying two variables x and y were assigned the following values initially x equal to 3 and y equal to 6. Which of the following statements will help swap the values between these two variables? Yes. Hmm. Okay. So as I have some more time, I will go. These are the very simple homework practices. You can just three questions. You can just check in the full in these slides. You will get it. Like these are very simple questions which are I have just showed today, that how to define the variables, how to define the assignment operators, and all of those things. Okay. So now the set two, I will just do few the questions how much whatever the time will permit, and whenever the time is stop, I will stop it. Okay. So the first question of first and second question of set two. Okay. Let other answer. Second other is minus two. Okay. Let other answer. First one is error. You are getting why you are thinking it is error. Okay. Yes, well, let everyone answer. Then I will tell. Don't you actually do it. Then tell the answer. Then discuss. Okay. Let other do. Okay, so the answer is one is B and two is I mean B means one is 1 2 1 2 1 2, because A is 3 and B is string 12, and if it means that it will three times write the 12, so it will 12 12 12, and the second one is the output of the following code, that is minus 9 minus 9 7, and it will give the minus 2. Okay, so minus two, everyone is right. I think no, somebody has told A, so no, it is not A. And someone is telling it one is error. No, it will not be error. It is not an invalid operation. It will give you 1 2 1 2 1 2. You can just run this and check it. Okay. Yeah, and the next thing is okay, I can again show you. See, A equal to 3, B equal to 12, which is a string 12. Now it is in under inverted comma and print A star B. It is giving 1 2 1 2 1 2 because now it is writing three times the same string. No, A star B. No, every time you are missing with all of the left right thing. Left right, you just fix this. So it will be 3 times 12, that is 12, 12, 12. Okay. And the second question is why it is minus 2? Because remainder is minus 2. That's why it is minus 2. Okay. It calculates the remainder. I showed in the previous examples also when I was showing with the 17 and 3 because 15, 15, 17, 16, 17, 2, there we are also getting the 2 because it was in the okay. So fine. Now I stop it again and I will go to the. I think time will not permit to follow any other questions. So I guess everything with sorry, everything will be already with you. So no need to worry. You can solve it whenever by your own also. So so question one, two, we did, then three, four, five. No. So the thing is that with the okay. So no. The floor division. Sorry, I mistakenly told it as remainder, not remainder. The floor division discards the fractional part. Okay, discard the fractional part, and whatever you get, that is the main thing. The 17 floor division 3. That means 3, 5, 15. 55 will be the answer for the floor division. Okay. Oh, I have told the ulta thing, and then minus 9. Okay. This will be minus 1 then. Okay. I understand. This was a floor division, but I told the remainder. Okay, so okay, that was my fault. But in the floor division, actually we discard the fractional part and give the oh, okay. So here it is 7 7 1. Yes. So 1 7. Okay, so if I run also, then yes, we are getting the one minus two only. But yes, what is the confusion then? Can anybody understand the why the confusion? Because I also confused. Because this is the floor division. No, that you are that. That I understand your point, but the thing is that whatever people are saying minus two, because if you execute this, then you are getting minus two. So that's why I am saying that. No, the thing is the thing. No. The thing is I understand. Like minus 9 floor division by 7. So it will give you about one what minus 1.28 if you do the division. So now the closest thing as this is towards the minus, so it will go to minus 2. because the previous integer now is not minus 1, it is minus 2, because this is the negative side of the of 0. You understand? I hope I am correct. So do you understand the point what I want to say? So see, when you will when you come from the negative sign, then minus 2 is the previous number, not the minus 1. So previous integer is minus 2. That's why if you are getting 1 point something, then it is taking the previous integer, which is minus 2. Yes. Yes, it is minus 2 is the answer. The thing is that if you now the if the question was 9 floor division by 7, then you would have got 1. Okay. But as it is given as minus 9 floor division 7, so that's why you are getting minus 2. Okay, so fine. The next, there are several other questions that you can find by your own in this week, and I can maybe we can again discuss because, of course, I like this course because of this discussion. People used to discuss in other course. People do not discuss as much as they do in the Python. So okay, fine. So we'll no. It is nothing but numerator denominator. Minus means minus. So minus 9 by 7 means only 9, like minus you can consider within the first bracket 9 floor division by 7. That does not, it minus cannot be in a denominator or numerator. Okay. So, but the thing is that as it is given as minus 9 by 7, so the nearest previous integer is minus 2. That's why it is minus 2. If this was only plus, like 9 floor division by 7, then the answer you will get is 1. Okay, just think it once. Okay, fine. Yes. All of the questions will be shared. Already, I have shared the folder link. I'll share it again. And now I need to wrap it in the chat. Yes, in the chat. I am share it again. Don't worry, and I will pin it also. Uh, okay, fine. Okay, so we'll meet again on the next Saturday for further discussion. And thank you for whole lot of discussion. We will again do this. This is for these only we meet here just to discuss to share knowledge among ourselves, and of course I will cheer this kind of discussion. Okay, fine. So today it is already 7, so I will wrap it up. Yes, last question, last thing. Yes, Anju. In the questionnaire, you can see that there is NPTEL underscore Python data size by underscore two. That is the slide. That is those are the slides. You can just on it. The Google Slides will on, and you will get all the questions and all the slides. Okay, so fine. Now we'll wrap it up. Okay. Yes. What? No, I have shared just in the chat box in this thing Google Meet, and I will also share the link of the YouTube channel. There also you will get all of the information whatever I need to share. Okay, so this is that for what. So you are saying about the question the seeks of assessment two, right? That I will let me check. Okay, fine. Bye.